Okay, let's make it quick before my baby comes. We had a birthday party over the weekend and our stairs are looking a little crazy. Oh goodness. Also, my toddler ran down the stairs with a Sharpie almost immediately after we moved in. We have never had carpet before. In our first house, we took it out right away. We do eventually plan on replacing these, like, oh my gosh, so far down the line, but we did do a nice DIY in the meantime. So our carpet cleaner pooped out on us. We've got a new one to test, which is, by the title of this video, you already know. It's the Dirt Devil portable carpet and upholstery spot cleaner. So let's see how good of a job it does. I'm so sorry for the camera work right now. I have a co-staff who is new. I'm also going to test it on the carpet, our washable carpet in the dining room. Although it is a tumble rug and you can put it in the washing machine, it's freaking massive, and unless you have an industrial size washing machine, I don't know how they think that you're gonna throw that in a normal size standard washer. It's massive. Well, at least the one that we have. Maybe if you have a smaller one, it's fine, but we have like the 9x12. Yeah, again, short story long. Let's get to testing it, and I'm gonna give it about a week because I have so much to clean after that party and just from life in general, that I will give my first impressions and my overall thoughts. First impressions pulling it out of the box. It was really compact, similar in size to the little green handheld Bissell carpet cleaner, which felt quite familiar. I do like there is a handle on top, which is different. However, I do have to comment about the cord storage, which you can see me kind of struggling here, which I'll get into a little later. For the stain that I wanted to tackle first, it was one from the stain wood project or whatever. I can't speak. Anyways, on the canister, it said to use the pure concentrated stain solution. So that's what we started with. The smaller canister than what I'm used to, and the little bottle that they gave you, it goes pretty fast. Long story short, I honestly didn't see a difference between using the concentrated stain solution to adding the water and just going about my day. You can see it's doing some great suction here. I am very impressed, and I like how it's see-through or transparent. You can actually witness it working. But long story short, honestly, I wasn't overly impressed. It didn't work any better or any worse than the little Bissell. I also think the stains that I was trying to tackle were really deep-rooted stains like tomato and wood stain from some projects. So I don't want to knock the Dirt Devil, and I think it was really great at getting out just your general stains. Just the container where the water and solution go is very small, and it does spray a lot, which is good. It has a massive spray range compared to the little green cleaner from Bissell, but it uses a lot more water, so you're gonna need to replenish it a lot more. It went so fast. That's me versus the stains in another battle for another day. Let's skip to the future and see if my thoughts change. Thoughts have not changed, and I still struggle with this cord wrapping. I get the design where it's easy to move the tabs, I guess, if you're wanting to get the cord unraveled really quickly. Just in general, like trying to hook it back up or trying to wrap it back up, they move so easily. It's so easy to knock it, and all of the wrapping just fall out. I think I mentioned here that in the little Bissell, when I took out the dirty canister, drips were very often coming out. I don't know if it was just because the Bissell was at the end of its life or not, but the Dirt Devil, certainly not. Like the way, like where you empty it is at the top and it doesn't drip at all. Later in the week, I used it on the most high traffic areas of the stairs, like the stair nose, if you want to call it that. I find it gets dirty really easily, so here's that process. I felt like it worked well. It's hard to tell right away because the carpet is so fluffy. Once it's wet, it looks darker, so you can't really tell until it's dry. Overall, I think it's a good product, and for everyday use, it makes complete sense. But for those really hard stains, there's definitely going to need to be alternative solutions, and this is not a fix all. Thank you for joining me in today's review, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you've tried this or plan on buying it, and you can ask any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.